good morning and another week of vlogs. It is Sunday, April the 26th. I have to look at my calendar, you know, me and dates. And it is a yucky, miserable, cold, damp, rainy day. At least yesterday was somewhat nice, which we've seen in the last vlog. But Dave's at work. He just left about 15 minutes ago. I am working on editing last week's vlog. Tongue twister. But anyway. What's on the agenda for today? We were thinking about making a just a little fun video. I know some other creators have already done it, but I think we're just gonna do it too. Is the making the Carnival Chocolate Melting Cake recipe. Sounds really good on this yucky day. Good day for baking. So we'll probably work on that later on when Dave gets back from work this afternoon. And not really sure what else is going to be going on today. I know so far I do have to work from home again for the next 2 weeks at least. I got my schedule for that last week. And yeah, this week, I just realized, this week is going to be turning into May. It's crazy. But I just really can't believe it's almost May already. It's crazy, especially with everything going on and being basically confined to your home other than going to get groceries. Even though really not doing anything, this time has flown by. It's nuts. But I'm just here on my makeshift desk, my home desk, along with a little blanket here because I'm freezing. And I'm going to turn you guys around. I have my little fireplace going. Yes, I'm watching Kitchen Mom Favors vlogs. And please, if you haven't checked her out yet, I'll put a little card up in here. Up in here. And please check her out and subscribe to her channel. She has a lot of mixtures of either cruise vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, unboxings. She's got it all. So definitely check her out. In the meantime, I'm going to work on our channel here. I'll talk to you guys later on. I smell chocolate melting cake in the oven. But you should see the production we put together to make it work here. Right the kitchen table by the oven here. Got things rigged all over here. And there's a Dave with a beer.
I'm the assistant.
Yeah, he's my sous chef. He's doing a good job though.
He did a great job.
Woohoo!
Taste testing is my next project.
Yeah, baby. They came out good. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, I didn't vlog yesterday. It is absolutely a beautiful day for once. Yay! So I'm outside doing some grilling and just having a little cocktail in between here. But I am making just some marinated chicken and have some sliced potatoes in the tin foil there. Just kind of want a half healthy quick dinner for tonight because at 7 o'clock we're premiering a little fun video. Showed you behind the scenes of it already earlier this week. But yeah, just want to do something different for the channel and something just fun since we're kind of in a lackluster of cruising material. But I'm going to enjoy this beautiful weather, have the puppers rosy. Where are you, pup? He's over there. Just chilling out and waiting until Dave gets home, probably within the next 15 minutes. Well, very happy good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, April the 29th. Sorry, frog in my throat. Gotta love allergies. Our sunshine went away today. Yeah, it's a dreary day. It's supposed to be still in the upper 50s. I guess I'll take that. It's not raining. It's not snowing until tomorrow. but that's another day. Supposed to get some bad rain tomorrow. About 2 inches of rain, they said, so, ugh. But anyways, had the morning off from work and decided to make some banana bread. Actually saw a video to make banana bread from Michelle from MLB Destination, so I'll definitely put a link to her channel. Actually, I'll to the video right up in the eye there, because that really sounded really good right now. So I'm going to make some banana bread using her recipe, but I'm going to put a little twist to it. I still have chocolate chips from when we made the Carnival Melting Cake, so I'm going to throw some of those in there. So make it like a desserty banana bread. So, you know what? Bake along with me, guys, because that seems like that's all I'm doing anymore. Making sweets. So, let's have some banana bread. It smells absolutely delicious. Try to let it cool down for a little bit, and I'll have some with a little butter on it. Ooh, it's bright. Happy good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, and it's sunny. There's hardly any clouds in the sky, and I'm actually outside with a t-shirt on. The wind's a little chilly, but it's gonna be a good day. What's on the agenda for today? Well, I think we're going to do a lot of outside work that needs to be done. Some funky hair going on. A lot of raking, a lot of cleanup from like winter, like stones and cinders and blah stuff. But I think we're just going to take the time just to enjoy the outdoors, because I'm really sick of being cooped up inside the house. I think we both are, but I think even this one will enjoy some time outside. Yeah. But I might even actually get some color today. I'm so pasty white. But I think we're just going to have some breakfast, have some coffee, and we'll see where the day takes us. Alright guys, I had to pull my hair back because when I was working outside it was driving me absolutely insane. Got finished cleaning up the yard. Looks a lot better than it did. Then I just ran over town, grabbed a few groceries, and now I am making chili cheesesteaks for lunch. Yes, chili cheesesteaks. It actually came as a accident a couple weeks ago. Ordered from one of our local restaurants, and instead of cheesesteaks, the waitress mistook me for chili cheesesteaks. So, oh no, I said Philly cheesesteaks, and she mistook me for chili cheesesteaks. And we got them, and it's like, what's this? But you know what? It was pretty dang good. So I'm gonna make my own here. Put some beef in the there we go, the Instapot. Excuse me. And I'm gonna be browning some beef and making our own chili sauce. So between everything, trying to pop in with the third round of the cruise-a-thon so far. TZR Travel's on right now. I'm going to put a link to their channel up in here. It's 1 o'clock, so it's their hour. Since I've been outside, I try to pop in during the chats as much as I can, just to at least say hey and watch a little bit. But just wanted to seize the day basically because it is like the best day it's been probably all year, really, to be honest with you. So I just want to catch up any housework around the house, outside housework as much as we can. And I don't know what's in store for the rest of the day, but let's make some chili Philly cheesesteaks. Say that 3 times fast. I'm just sitting here relaxing, have a cocktail, enjoying the beautiful weather, and I'm having some hot guy wash my car for me.
It is warm.
Not bad for being almost 7 years old, this good old terrain. Yeah. It's really hard to believe that my terrain's been almost, actually this coming September I'll have it for 7 years. It's crazy. Time flies, but she looks good though. Girl's off today. Decided, since we're cleaning out our toys on this glorious, beautiful day for once here in Pennsylvania, figured since we didn't get to show them on our channel this year, since lack of snow, here are our little toys that we play with during the winter time. Figured better clean them up and put them away so we get them ready for hopefully the next winter season. Yep, I ride the green one, Dave rides the orange one. Hopefully we get to use them this coming season, but I'm not ready for winter yet. Nope, want summer. It's not healthy, but that smell. All right, girls, until next winter.